Can you follow? Oh, can you follow? Can you follow? Oh, can you follow? Can you follow the bana? Can you follow? Oh, can you follow? Can you follow? Oh, can you follow? Can you follow the bana? Ninka no nene teba. Can you follow the bana? Mumeke Inteju soko no baby Ninka no te fala no is burning Ninka no la dimba mota fala no uno Can you follow the banda Ninka no nene teba Can you follow the banda Mumeke Can you follow? Can you follow? Beko kodi foro Can you follow? Beko sani foro Can you follow? Nimbeju sole kono Fabina, bare ninka no ye foro ya le follow. Can you follow? E can I walk is so painful, baby. Baby, never let my enemies seize my day. I'm getting up for me, can't kumbondi, baby. Every day I pray so you can see my pain. Akajinkanko sangi follow. Can you follow? Can you follow the bangna? Ninka no nene teba. Can you follow the bangna? Mumeke.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, you sure?
Alhamdulillah, yeah. Yeah, I'm doing good.
Yeah. So, I mean, there's something been running through my mind. So, you tell me that you had 2 exes. So I just want to know a little bit about that situation.
Okay, to tell you the truth, I was married before.
Okay.
Yeah. I was married to one man. His name is Salif Sise.
Salif.
Yeah, I was his second wife.
Okay.
But, you know, he was not treating me good. That's why I left the marriage.
Oh, okay. I see.
Yeah.
Well, don't you worry about that. Don't you? I will take care of you. Don't worry about that. You know, you're in good hands now. Now, that's the past. Now, we focus on more sort of the future, huh? So, don't worry. No worries. I got you, huh?
Hope that.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Sure.
Like, that's the problem. That's why I left the marriage.
So he wasn't doing what he was supposed to be doing. I understand, because, you know, every man's, you know, not built for that. So in that sense, then, I mean, like I said, I'll make sure that you're queen. You're taking care. You don't have to worry about me with second, nothing like, not even a side. You know? Yeah, but I got you. Smile a little bit, you know, don't be sad.
Yeah, I'm happy now. But can I ask you,
Sure.
what is your connection between you and Sniper?
Oh yes, yeah. You know, technically, that's my boy. You know, like it's a company that I work with back in the United States. Basically, we need few guys, you know, few people to come, you know, to work for us and stuff like that. So if they are lucky, they may be one of them few ones can get their green card from me. But even if it doesn't work, still I have a business that they can run. You know, so that's what's in my mind, right? But if they're fortunate enough, that is, if they're fortunate enough, they will be able to travel back there and work for my company that I work for. You know, so that's why me and Snipe, we are very close like this, you know. But so far, I like the boy, man. You know, it's something like he coming.
Assalamu
so.
Nyuma.
Ants.
I'll be next surprise.
Ants even yet.
Yeah.
Me I'm gonna be there. Aja. Si.
Koran.
Manande mole.
Bibi.
Koran.
Talande.
What family ne okay?
Get over the guy. I'll be up. Na mole Zal.
Zal, aman na follow.
Ya wana.
Han wadi na famata kanale.
Ataka to busy ring more down.
Siara. Itu ko sara buka tariya na la.
I know I'm easy.
Na be dia.
Bibi yang
Alba kan ko.
Na wanyola da.
Do ko be di.
Na wanyola de. Galo na
Ko
kay.
dia da.
Konding ke akai.
Ama easy de.
Kondu wanyengi.
Ma easy, but sai na fana ma nyini watu.
Yeah.
Because I'm funding care. Setulo man dia na.
Yeah, never at the age of this type of call like if I mama yela quality.
Yeah, I'm to nyala de kai.
Because it's not easy. Talante. So if you're quite kid and the jana said.
Yen jela sai ndo kai. Nkile nombe mo ba lo wala mbe TV o damba.
Oh, the
music
music
mo sai nkile ne bijando fam.
Yeah,
easy,
you know.
Ama easy anda mandi.
Kori can give you sometimes.
Ha, to fam bota janna am me ba.
Yeah.
Ha, bota janne.
That's very good.
Telephone command.
Okay.
Korran.
Talante.
Yo.
Yeah, parang kairo lang si jantal. Right. El no ko no no ngenda futu la le dal.
Wait, futu.
Yes. Ko funo na jana na punya fue no at least you know.
No mo yo diar.
Yeah,
Na jwa futu awalon fo.
Awa no. Yeah, enda wa futu la nya dire.
Futu ke muni ala yade ni modi make.
No, okay.
Kana futu ka banna e futu ko de.
Modo okay. Kabin awa we enda jamfa ka ya bono no gol kono kay. Afwa futu te ke fo ya bula kay. Enda kono tata no kan muso si pa kay. Muso mi alon ko afulu dala futu mo han wati si no ake ya bula.
Maria futu ko fana data la futu ba mo data.
No sunku dole futu
Juma.
to Maria mo.
Maria.
Mo be ne ya lon nak.
Camera nene ya tamit.
No ina na ma tamit dal. Wal mo ken ne ba fele no.
Fana be jamma fam.
Yeah, jam fandin ta janne tol ba fenke jana ma fam paradise you ma fam.
It will be paradise you ma fam. Oh, that's very good, Ams.
Like,
Congratulations.
na tele karo se so
Alhamdulillah, mo yo diata. Ams bin kontaan tele de. Kontaan tele.
Dunia ba wala nya.
Ha, yaron kuku fana. Na wato man siya buka kenu. Hani sa force nyaaw nyandi. Na wato man siya buka kenu.
Exactly.
Bari ma je bira wato si rek ala ya so no ya.
Exactly. No mo kende ba so da la mol fon ya la
kasa. Akuluta ya fomaji.
Ay be sinya je no ni nya.
Ay alfa kan botu.
Exactly.
La jamfa javia kunol feleti kan. O wala nan kama. Inkanu they never wanna see jam. Ebula yegu by foma. But this love in me nene jam. It hurts I cry, mangi cry for love. Gonna follow. This love I have, more time I fight for more. Gonna follow. I know I'm scared, but I fight for peace. For
Talante ngala fi harma wala miyanan ko asobe yata kanunte wala ko man taraje ma like wasu buka ka mola kan fam so nde atul be mu yitu manolati nda follow to min ko ngala nam boto min ko ngala ndun da min ko ngala so certain things be in life nde nyana mari mi mafon ko to kel min fangalan ko ni kan yolu afta kumi ko nyele tem fo hana man diyan nyan kakele you can feel nice so one certain things be in life as a youth man ka kan fa juna ni kan fa mu shetan wala buga do ko wulu ko to ra ko wulu you have to make in life kay ko mu nyale bu le da jul fay kay yebu ku kan one day iba signal boy mo wulu ani mo nyana mo wulu ani nafulo am ni dola min ketanti ani nafulo mo wulu ndeg min genna mo wulu bal mu ñoni sabaru ha ke di master life ko ne ka batale boy dama fo ñene jalan ke snap man sobe ya snap man fenkete bo listen to me doma giso man tay na fala fenna fana hatinye giso man tay na fala fenna fana hatinye ni mo janya to judu mo ya boy leka jen tunji may ba disrespect woni wuro ite tamen tan lo dem fam ite ko wuro ite ka fenke ko ci dal ni ndani tammi tammi na man jara ngaf ikana jande ke la hajul fo nyanka jara nyol nkana ke ki ngata jang ikata ikana hajul jar nke ko le fo ani mantar jang ki ta ida ina ibu kan disturb ni fana nyanta min kala ngaki boni mol ke life boy ni mol diam ke be ke lamay ke kam fal tron ibu dunda mistake ba trompion kono trompion yalla ko ito bo fo bono noji ani mistake o dol bi apology bi ko jaral ka apologize ngi abike jara so focus no ma min kata forget it ko okay iko nyina kata sorry inte nga ju tane bala nyinta ma nyina very simple yam fanye ni ngi tore life kon ko man ke ndangan yedi alesi jenke nyoy kayro kon bal ka fanta man nyinke nte nyinke le amu nyo sabodi andu man nyeta nyin ko to kel tema ko to ke kunun tal ka permission ko ban nyini nyinke biya man ta ku ha ko sa fono ye yam fanye ba mi tele dunde nyimbe kono very simple ali kayro soto ala nyo yalla nyo konton ke amu nyina ite let's struggle le fonga if you know you cannot go with him
Paulo nyela ko mo la and I really respect you I understand ngamere ni aje te kan de bulay la bun kono walle kan ki la bun kono ka fiti nga because of you trust them
hade
you understand am si aje u baga sol dina nga bu ko trust them ni trust bu dande te ma de bulay ki le bun kono ko de what trust ni wol man tan ni am tema you expect me to still work at the same place
nta ma fe do ko ke jende mo yalla ma fe do ko
no ni be tan na bolo explain complain kan comme nga jogu la bulale manje fa ma fa
ha andi ko fone strong jende ko jibule ita fala fa ita la do ni business on kono
ko
feta ma
danga du
ha sa ite mo dun la ko feta mo dun de fon kono next minute bolo ji ma fa me ko bojiro ko mom bete ya
Pablo the business was built on a trust what trust ni tije
no ite ma never you cannot take decision on yourself ni mo do ko wala
no man decision ta
decision ta iko you left mi ta tell him why will you left him fa andi mo yalla fon tro ngolo jela foye imam bolo ndoma mba fale imam bolo ni te ko okay sniper ni to ko te ko science sniper ne yim fenkar ne mo do boro ni imantara na way drive ka ni mo do siloka ima fonyo o mo te kulubala
amu ko
ya tin non jela foye afay kar ndal ko ni nit wala ni ta ke no sang ko nga ni nit ji iko la ke
Paulo
wali
yen do gudla nda mama taji mo fla bi you understand kabin time na anza tan na ko ma man trust na this is not the first time there am so time ajinin ka fala da ko do hana dara so ne nga ta la kawo so ka ans ne bu ka lon ko do enough money ndaka jela so bu kawo dem
so you mean you want to take them to America?
Yes, of course. And plus I got family over there, so you know they're gonna make sure they're taken care of basically. They're under my care while they're over there. You know. Okay. And you two yourself, you should be working on your passport, you know, so we can make something happen for you, you know.
Yeah, for now, I will see how best I can do to have my own passport.
Okay, no, that would be something, that would be good, you know. Okay, that would be good.
I will try.
So that way, you know what I'm saying, we can do 6 months here, we do 6 months there.
6 months, yeah. You know, Gambia is not easy to have a passport.
Hey.
Yeah, you have to try harder.
No, that's true. But no worry, you know, I just want you to be, you know, happy, smile, and don't have a second thought about me, you know.
I want to hear. So where are you born in America or Gambia here?
Well, technically, I wouldn't say I was born in America. I was born in Gambia, actually.
Gambia.
But I left at a young age, at the age of 10.
Okay.
I left to go to America, so that's what it is.
So do you like going out maybe at night or afternoon time?
Well, I'm a party person. But the thing is, those days been kind of numbered down to me because I'm always busy. As you've seen, you know, as with Snipe and stuff, and trying to get their paperwork together. So, Mungima tarde, you know.
Mungila tarde.
Oh, wow.
What kind of language is? Oh, Wolof, sorry.
Wolof, wow.
Mungima tarde.
Yeah, Wolof.
You know, for me, Wolof, I don't speak it very well.
I
used to try.
I try too. I thought all Gambians speak Wolof, so I pick up little lines. You know.
Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
All right.
Wonderful.
And you?
And you?
She's my sister.
That's your sister?
Yeah.
Oh, what a lovely sister. That's why
Yeah.
y'all kind of play with each other.
Yeah, she is my little sister.
Yeah, so how you doing?
I'm all right.
Alhamdulillah. How's the night going so far?
How about you?
Alright.
mo be ko musu si barangere
Yeah.
muso me ala kulu
Wala na time ta ba ke no nyimwa because
no wala yalo hanama do ni da siyate ka e ka make sure ni be dunna dawdan ni way ke fasaya mo kana ko koy ndele ni lon ko muso de mi la bulo kon ni be dunna dawdan ni dunje to ko ni wakay ninning saya la ben natalandir ha bari ni mo dasiyate ka yena biye dun sami fini mo ba
sa
fala
kon da don janto ko ngolen to kendo sa
yo mo arms ndel bele arms janto wallahi par fon sa yam fodan yogo sinyo ya fana boko bay
dunia la bo
ha nal be sire al ko mo bele moy ko si fa bele ka tambal al tema fana bara as far as ku ya man na jeto yo kon nante ya man na fo ayakinan di ku jawo ka hanama don wala ya mari la dunia tinya min son kam sol one time fent wol be hadama di ya ko bar mo fa ne juso sa campagne ya nyande kanata fo e bad intention so to moy pour ka kay wala kala dunia tinya wala kala time movies na fata ha so ko no ro buka bay am
they all do understand life kono le no okay o buka bay
alma ala ya ke futut alma ala ya so dinkere nindi muso jamala jeet alma fo ko modi ala nyoy on kontan tele bi wallahi wo futu sito ko be ti ko turo lon dala wo wota kala puraben la jila ko nyo be la arms edun da dawda ni turo wala arms futu sito na no ada do yala kara
kind of follow. A kind of okay, so painful, baby. Baby, never let my enemies seize my day. I'm getting up for me, Bondi, baby. Every day I pray so you can see my pain. I got Jinkanko, and you follow. Kanu follow the bang na Ninka no nene te bang
abakela mobile surprise dina ko arms be futu kan
billahi
mashallah na na nyaadi am bira de musenyi ma be kala wote
no pwede ita po nya ya ndala ni nya ko ya na ta jampo na fo be ni zalbe tarra jana
manna
ate do ko wala do
zalu kodo ngara na ni pare de be tubabu de na no san
do wal to le jande kiel ka do ko wal to ya engine so
so muso ko nan ka do ko sai ila fonko iba ma wol namde ibi janne fo
no na mero ba america la ni na sister
america
what atenya ata ibele nyanta na la nyola fo what mero nyela ta man sa ya kwa ke so abi je fana do ko la amal li fo so to follow but maybe na sister or what try la
o minala o bi bete ala baka at least family ko na mo kelin yana na wala mo fo jam fo ka ta nyaamu nyen
na bo diam kana ko nu ngata make no la kana de but na wa diam kanyama buka lafta amade
so bete ala bakra na ta amabe kay because yarum fana ni musobe dunna nyobu do kono annan taka nyola family lonne so ya long ke woni jumalle buluda ke fana ya musoni jumalle wu karim sai so ko gambia do yatal ni mo kata benna ko eta do atima wala fitine do atima wala ko do atima ko atal woni musobe mu family wala woni ke ma be mu family
billahi
barin telephone al bijanne arms ndalo kay mo amanke sinyo adam man da badi ya fanan bijere ndalo kay inshallah mbelole agere nyaaw nyande fente folanto ko ma jeetu bera fo do sidu do ko la fa fo do sidu do
no jigo so de la
fente folanto
no jigo so de la
na diata ale
wa na ko na fo de fana
wala no kay ndala karo ila yela etete ila esino inshallah ni ala
tierman do wal melong isafta
inshallah ni ala son tamba fo
ni fus ko si ba na kana hakilo bu ko mol dol
ma fo le mamti o bira bota sofia la photo sito no bifle be ni wote na fama ta nyola la ya fama ta janne bare na tare nay nyoya karu sande buka ko tere bar na tare lolo bay accident le mbenta silo mba fo la ya karu ndata la ko
no self na we now you understand
we malo mulande ka I mistake na ko manin tere maro so ko fi
I mistake ba la but you know
ba na so ndo mba fala moliel ko be minti sanna la bedu na kabilo ko
no minti so fo fo na saudi
no wotuje ni ala son
mbina la ko
mba fala kabila moliel
fonta ko minti saudi la ya wonta so no la nyim
inshallah
ya ni zal na ta fa en tam
mba fala ni pare da mba ko la la fo
okay problem da la
problem te am sa baraka ya
okay
ma la ya ke fututi
amin Allah
alma ke le ila musoti fo faw
amin Allah
ya mol kon da ya
okay ba mo
ora baraka ba
thank you so much Nima
all right
thank you
alhamdulillah Arms fan finally I decide time so photo. Nko moyo diat. Ni okay, mfa we duna kabilo korda na ta kamula mule.
Sometimes more those $900 get so because I'm get enough money in the commission buy expect from if more the bonus of you understand but $100 ala ala kila ala and mama answer kodoko you understand obi because of the trust he has for me you understand kodo ngamu rejele foni karo fana na kodo diala yala stand mundu male de do la another side na sit na ba ata you understand akonye ko kodo ni after ngai ko prime for $40,000 because la family kala so kabdo boto wala after ngai another fanya ko komi kodo ni ni do ko anytime de kodo ya send na wave fam mi anka ne manke you understand every day ne do ko ke kodo ni ndare ya send na wave woni manke kodo ni safe le bi de mi angon ka keje nin karo fa nga be konti nga diala last time nga kodo diala la fa ne malon amami de ko ma bo kodo function la ka uso fa ko nyimbe mo kodo la kay la kodo la you understand obi because of the trust you understand so say no trust boraje because of I modology mi alon ko you think that person is doing more than me you understand bo mi andra nga nat na je bo mi ango atamal la fungo do ko kayje wo yakse kam foten yakse force salary ala force salary nakodo wa borol ko am sia dial bo am ska man ta jola because he don't trust him ngay ko is fine de banat lan now bring him in you understand aw do ko kelal nin karo fara nakodo ngoro bondi en jomi na ngoro bondi nga dial
ite you are mixing apple and oranges nta kam fote anita ka problem mo explain mun kili
problem na nyami nga jele fote
ila moy le ala nta kam fote imantra nak makam may kana bolo nyini sniper kana bolo nyini
Pablo
ne kan la may kan nta makeba
Pablo nde foare da nyaaw nyaa
ngak mo dum wala may la may dero
ndangure nga jam foya nde foare da nyaaw nyaa billahi wallahi taala nga foare da nyaaw nyaa but na foare ka nga respect myself on it you understand the last thing I'll do in my life I will improve mo ka jutuntela because of na foare no I don't do that
no you know yalla minga yajele allo kawso yalla no office on banyati no la yalla man ko office on yalla ko CCTV bi jela andi kam break kata nde video footage njela
okay ça ita bu video footage jibe
sniper ndakala ne mba video footage ni kon ila moy taram ndabi la ke balde ana ma do yike koyle ni koy molki ma koyle nde nsano la video footage nje ngata di am na mo sniper ndingi jele ngi I see you ngi video ko
ngi video ko
sniper fetal ma mo sin ninga ndanya jele sniper la moy tara ko ji nde I still have the video let me see ndama ndata ndila mola mata ndila mola wonte live kono nte ngi ninte mi jawoti wala mi like wala man kan di denkande mo video ta la ngasen moli mata ndi ko sniper ni nek wala ki advice men atray mo la ku kané bu la ku kono mo kané dundu ku kono mi ha sami bare grade o youth man wa to nek mo bi la ndaka desperate la wata mo ndek ka ko mo la ku ci ka bal ala ka ke ka atray la wondi fam bu ka ma wala ku kilimbe la ku ndoma fo fe manki yalla ko nyi ite ngamol be la ma fa hamati la ite ngal hamol be la an ngal lon ko ite ni chance mi ke hit ka tatu babu iba mek la o hamo be la bo mo kané ni fo ita wonde fi ngata ko ite ina du ko fe firing you can understand gada dem fo so jiso bu ka fe wan ka fe jiso bu ka fe solve ni ko jiso use la abina ku do la wuru la ko telephone me fe ngol la tablo ko mi an ko ite ta diam no ni mo ki sabar nunko ko na kar budo dia la fa kar yam fa ndami fa man ko la kar ntala ko nimbe ntala ila di nimbe la man wok sa ngi dan ale yam fa ni ko ni ngi to ya ko bendi ni live peace eta ila business wala fa wala ndama ma feta do ko la ndi min fa ni ko par eta fa sun ko la ke be ni tan wala fa wala fa sun ko ndi respect that an wala nga ni min be ko nga ne jewte ko no yo ko ke ka la wuru la le la mo li def ko le ma ko man jere nya jo bondi wala ke fa ko bondi everything is secret is safe with me demi la ke balde understand ndete dum la ko ko mi be toral so please ngi dal am ni parata il faut yita ya fay ko doke tonya ma ke ku yam fanye ana mi be ta man ayam fe very simple yela life live kana tar kam far ñoo kam ma boy say mon man sima ya ato so ñebi ñoo kala kila rek li mon jara la boy bro nga ta stru lo la nga fesse ya di bro kana wori muli
So great, can't complain.
How are you, man?
Yeah, aje.
Yes.
Ikaw na mtu.
I was inside. You know, I heard you people speaking English, so.
She wanna join.
Aji mu la ba.
But muna sabi mini funny.
Mun muna fole, fo muna banati ma ba fole.
Honey, but it's so funny ko yulun tang wala soto.
Fani e ka lunta soto, e ka lunta soto, e ka saranna.
Honey, ano?
Aji ni man ka mo du kare.
Man ka mo. Ifanya yalo ni man telo. Huh? Ni dia mto wala.
Aji ko kadam potane dia mo.
Ibira manya ke la nyanyala. Bro.
Yes.
I am Aji.
Aji.
And I am her big sister.
Oh, it's my pleasure, Aji.
It's a pleasure meeting you.
They call me MJ, by the way.
MJ.
MJ, yes.
MJ, nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
And I cannot say much for now, but I just want her safe.
Oh, don't worry about it. She will be safe. You know, I don't know. You're moving kind of a little bit, scaring me a little bit, and the way you.
No, like
you want to tell me something, but you're not.
No, when I came, that was a reaction that she made, and the way you sound was a bit.
Huh?
You know, I can tell something, but I just want you to understand that we are sisters, so most of the time this is how we behave, so it's normal.
Oh, it's normal. Okay.
Especially when we are happy
You tell
together.
Sniper you are coming here.
Yeah, he knew I was coming here, actually. You know, I thought I was going to slide by, you know, so he definitely know.
Okay, anyway, like,
So which time are you going back?
Well, I should be leaving within the next...
Can't follow, forever summer day one. Your love is my love. Forever summer day one. Javolunila jamfa, Javia kunol feleti kam. Oh ala nankama, Ninkano they never wanna see jam. Ebula yeku by Foma.
I need to complain la Sofia kata wanya ya what's wrong?
Don't boy bro, inte buka understand. Hal batu. He phone pretend ko mo kan lima kan. Understand? The bit on boy. Still the same hate ni ani grudges or mistrust ba pantani tema. Why I can't mistrust? I don't even understand. Sofia kala the business one. Kaya the business o. Mbah support la anything la tala fanya ngako do yimbi bije. Understand? Aku nyabari na business o bije na kudo bije bla. Kaya lo ko a claim imitat. But inte ba business college from my pocket. Inte ba claim. But ilo ko under ko kanatina. Ilo ko do ita menti da family ko e fo wala manta ko claim. Understand? Ata la family ya kala ko do claim. E ka fandal ka Sofia la main poison ka bunda brok tale. What kind of brok? What is going on? What is your? Won't ka mena kila.
No, if I don't want you to be Sofia don't want you. One nice. But
Na la nyini man da fi football andi ma appreciate. Se dan follow na ba ko ka. Andi to jela.
Cha, no ini ata man ite bita mo long, you know.
No, nanti manta feng, itu manta disrespect lah wala manta le. Sofia na fa, ina kami ku angka fanya fang kata je ka fa ko do yin claim. Aka manta ko do nya talo aba claim, angka ko do nya tidi. Ko do ka fen. Aka manta ko do ma mun so da ka ko do.
No, bola ita claim la le, no.
No, na bina dia mati ni disrespect ko fen na ni bitu na moya. Atu je ko do boy. Ko mo ko do ko do. Mo ko do ko do.
Ko de telephone boy, ko ronda ta wala le ka change bol to send mo you know. Ah, boy, I mean, is this and boy? Sofia Dumwan, you know, at a Katana, you saw a bike, you know, I've been
I can comment Latin, so when about Piala and the Mantra was one day the 4 things I can almost wait, and I have that National Assembly one. Now, I have business. I have people in China, I have people in Tokyo, because I pay for Kina, no bit of
What Sofia left a business or yellow? Why do you?
I could have told a clear, so I can't blow the work on a
way. When you not stop the wall,
so I can't blow the me, I can't blow the work on. Where can the work? Abang akan buat antara Sofia main poison untuk produk tale, orang nak Sofia tala kudo kema, nuri jangan seperti aja. Wah,
abang malah kamu maunya. Ini apa maunya nak kena dia. Wah, ini mana ini mau tanya boy ya, ada pernah kena change like that. Oh dia ada Sofia dah tahu kudo klaim ya, ada maunya ni dia malu order, ada maunya ni dia mau follow order. Ah, kini musuh temu boy, you know, kita mau dulu boy ini kan, nak muda kudo kata no. You know, muso ya came in Kanumani, told me in a dollar, you know, a cool tool tie, you know, related Sofia tema. Because even Sofia Hanalia can you one, you know, why you taking on your yellow?
But then the muso knew from where I understand. At the city, I couldn't go. Bambasina so on. Nde business to deal so little business okay na. Nkai ko. Nde I have to simple bane ida la mi manda block na kan no mi le kai account le kan ko do jele bi. Afu nyi su le jele ko do yimbo ni ngandi la. E business o. Ya understand? Because nde nso na e support so kana business o. Ala second ni so bi. Okay ni stop la ba kala fond. So I want to support. And nga funga fa kai business ko do ni make sure kana do do a safe. Police have a business on you.
Exactly.
You understand? So what are the home of it? Where can the blood be? What the Balkan be on here? You think when I can la? You mean a killer? In the way you do and the football. And that's what you man can
need to so like
you bet on the football. I understand our best friend. And you see all and the telling our best friend and Casper telling us. You have also Casper will tell our job.
Pangila mo na pang kila mo si Papu ito mahanya dile. Onjeri ti tani jusola boy. Ha ite bitang on ni tol bo si pa jay ke de kan. Ite kan tani jusola boy ti tani fa kilo la. Hamba. Boy kila mun tol di boy. Ite ni Sofia diam kullo kono hamba. Ko kunde na de pur ko bang. Ite bitang on ite respect di.
Stop la kata ko do van claim. Wala na ano ko do nya stop ka claim nak. Mas mal problem mo. Manjani me ko man ta ya. Bor ni point di mila ni ta sila. Mi ta le ya ngata ni la ko do ni fon. Ndam mi la ngava mero ko ba kana di Sofia. Ndepan na ko spend la nga business ko bidu ko wala Sofia nga fandi tek fa fandi tek ina Sofia japon
exactly ni okay ya lo balu na ko you are not broke ni okay no ye Sofia je da fo business o
mo ko
ko je bina malu la le bina malu la le ba mi la mi bi je o ti
sa jigim bi tamala ko on te pande mo de mo ke si ba sa jigim bi tamala no on te respect
ya mo ina hakil si pa so la wa hakilo da la ye jam fa ba ke
la wala tan right now ana ba ma na tan sira de ba so dui ba dia de ka sam akan dui e fur de mbere de ba so dia
on jeri kam fa la ke wo ele ke dia mo ye boy fon na nyosa hakilo la kan ta ni ju so la ni mo nyene te ko mo nyela imagine mi
bon ko
imagine mi fo comme ça la ki bi dans les business o yela Sofia nya je business o yela ay trata kan ya la sopo bi fanda ya ni nya woje obi malunde la because it only amira ina table bon ni okay hamwe to le bina la banda makamalu so ada man damon boy ini Sofia nyomo rek ite apa hana man dala ko do kile mai forget wala because amba abama mi mira ite fon ya joro ko tiji I know that ite fon bo good fon ko la good job la sai ye fan na fa no le ke fan sambano ya mo do ko dol sanjane ku wal hamwa e ku wal kega so kami kan dia kan tadi justru
mantra well ngerasa
kita kan di discuss
ngerasa kan dia boleh ngerasa sisa sama
Jula Wallet kam Jula Wallet yenna mo alla jama laban jor nyanti Gambia banko kan tumala min na Gambia mbe ngajele fintech abe sembo soto kan Gambia banko kan bakene yenna ya sabu Jula Finance mfanan nata nganchurum penji kaje ko ka jor nya sone yandale kabo alla mobile luto andun toludun nganta dada nyami Jula Wallet ntariata lanna ya bije andun ka kodo soto ila mobile luto wala ka kinila aketa kuti mi yalonko asone ata back ese kodo kino kunkelinali business olie anin community lu dinkira luto banko karopela muna ya sabu nata nin Jula Wallet katoko ese kodo tariato kinole ikafumie instant money transfers andum isela bilol fanan jonole sone yakono manna dawola isela kodo landi bank dame yalonko apedin tankola katanyola andum ning service ol ngani mimbe fale mbake kanne Gambia karopela Jula Wallet ntole nata le kaje ko digital economy ka sembentu yandi andun ka sone yandiro sambale nan alla kodo tamandir nyalto alfango buloko wallan kamune batu alna Jula Wallet download sign ibe nyinkela no damin wala mu Google Play te Android walla ning iPhone olo yata App Store ni kole ya kuol fanan soto ning download oto isen commande no le ngema koy 9304118 walla WhatsApp +44 7949 533-233 walla +44 7949 144674 utumbadi ngono